This is the 1981 Sears smoke detector. This came off the house. And yeah, I realize, yeah, every 10 years, but it still functions. I have a listing. I gotta find out who the manufacturer is for a 462. This battery could use a replacing because it's like 5 years old. Yeah, previous owners put dates on everything. 7th of October 1981. Duracell, Energizer, or Sears Die Hard 9-volt alkaline batteries. Test. I'm actually going to be taking this one down and relocating it because it's right in the kitchen. Toaster sets it off. You're not burning anything, it just plain sets it off. Max Arcade and Emerson College will attest to that. However, in the midst of taking it down, I think I'm just going to redo the whole house for smoke detectors and actually hardwire them and do it in every bedroom, get it up to date to code.